Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to explain you how you can get all premium course from Udemy for free. Yes, that's correct guys. All premium course, whatever listing in Udemy, you can get for free. All that you need is just your Gmail ID. Guys, open any web browser. Here I'm using Chrome. And as you can see, I have a multiple Gmail account. Hope you will also have some Gmail account, multiple. So here I'm using this one. So let's go to udemy.com, udemy.com, and choose your favorite course, whatever you want to do. So type, I am a cybersecurity student, so I will type some cybersecurity course. Then you can see these all are like any courses. So these all are the premium course. We have to pay some, this $22, $22, $39. So you can select any of these. So I will go for CompTIA test. This is one of the best core tests that we need to do. Like, and I select this one. And like there is one more option for here, there is option for try personal plan for free. This is like we are subscribing them for a monthly plan. This means like we are their monthly customer, we are paying them monthly, so we go on try personal plan for free. They give, the best thing about the Udemy is they give us for 7 days for free, so that benefit we're gonna take. So just type your name, Asanta, email that I'm using is, let me confirm, email digitalsina111. So here I'm writing password. So sign up. This easy process guys, no need to worry. So yearly access is like they will charge some 228 yearly, and like I will go for monthly access. And here you need it like name on card. You have to fill for the card detail as well, but they will charge you only after a week later, so that you will get access for 6 days. I have used almost I have finished two free plan, and this is my third plan from that one. I hope I will finish my course. So name on a, just click on start subscription, and here is your subscription will begin with a free 7-day trial. Cancel anytime by visiting subscription page in your account. So I will start my subscription, and they will charge me $0, and they will only charge me after 7 days after. So now everything, whatever the course I will search here, I will get the access of all course that I. If you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my video.